Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm 𝐒𝐨𝐬𝐢𝐿 in case you are new, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how I apply this wig from RPGHair. So I do currently have tape-ins in my hair, but I'm still going to put the wig over top. I'm going to start off using my 𝐵𝐷𝐿 gel and just looking my edges back so they're not in my way. And then I put my wig cap on. This is from the brand Skin. I'll have it linked down below. I use my freeze spray to lay the wig cap down and then blow dry on high heat, high speed. So this is the wig. It is 180 density and 20 inches, and it also has 13x6 deep parting space. So this wig is very unique because it comes to you in like a blow dried state, so you can straighten it or you can wet it and it'll be curly. So I'm just putting it on my head and customizing it, just cutting off the ear tabs, and then I don't even really have to pluck that much. Just remove some hair in the front to match my hairline, and as you guys can see, the wig came to me already pre-bleached, pre-plucked, and it just looks super natural. It did come in this middle part, and y'all know I love a middle part anyway, so I'm going to keep it right there. I'm just going to cut off the excess lace, and then I do go in with my 𝐵𝐷𝐿 gel, and that's how I put down the wig. This is like a glueless method. I don't really use glue on my hair anymore because I don't really wear my wigs for that long, so this way just works so good for me. To remove it, I just use water and it comes right on up. Little. So I'm just going to straighten my hair to show you guys how it looks straightened compared to blow dried. And then I just put some water on it, and this is how it looks curly, super beautiful. So like I said, you can kind of have 3 different styles with this wig. And again, it's from RPGHair. I will have all the links down below for this wig. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next one.